A major problem the nation is dealing with as the coronavirus spreads is a lack of medical supplies. Wendy Gillette reports from New York on where the U.S. stands right now.
At hospitals around the country, there's no greater need than protective equipment for healthcare workers and ventilators. On Wednesday, President Trump saluted the companies helping to produce the needed items.
General Motors is involved, Ford's involved, 3M's involved, others are involved, and they're all working very hard to produce all different products.
FEMA is shipping 20 million surgical masks, almost 9.5 million N95 respirators, 6,000 ventilators, and millions of gowns, face shields, and gloves to states.
We are focusing those resources in the areas where healthcare workers are most exposed to the prospect of contracting the coronavirus.
FEMA's director tweeted pictures of 2,000 ventilators arriving in New York, half of what's on the way. But that's just a drop in the bucket here, the epicenter of the outbreak. Governor Andrew Cuomo says cases in New York are projected to peak in 2 to 3 weeks.
Ventilators, ventilators, ventilators. We need 30,000.
Health officials say there are fewer than 20,000 ventilators in a national stockpile and 150,000 currently in the healthcare system. As more are needed, they're exploring converting devices used by anesthesiologists into ventilators.
It's not only the ventilators that they'll be supplying, they have the people that run those ventilators that are not any longer doing elective surgery.
Hospital beds could also soon be in short supply. Governor Cuomo says as many as 140,000 may be needed, and there are only 53,000 in the state. He's asking hospitals to increase their bed counts by at least 50% as temporary sites are readied, including the Javits Convention Center. Wendy Gillette, CBS News, New York.
And New York City is building temporary morgues in preparation for an expected rise in deaths. The death toll there is nearing 300. Still ahead here at noon, the Mr. Food Test Kitchen brings us a dish that a lot of people are going to want to make as the perfect side. Stay with us.